Okay, 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 okay. I remember buying this one earlier this week. I remember buying this one. I've never actually bought a song Bafetu on Apple Music. I've never bought a song. Like Lawimdo Ati pre-save my song. I've never done that before. But bro was like, I will hang on. This is actually my cousin, bro. G Rastafarai. Bro, I tell you, it was the first time Chad buying a song. Ideal Girl. Last time I reacted on Pro, I actually fucked with that. I loved his voice. I loved his
Try
voice.
new Colgate Total.
I don't want to try new Colgate. I want to listen to the song. So, please, Tete Nyindo, Colgate. Let's go. That's actually a sound. I won't lie.
Something other women dream of. Got me thinking we should link up. Need a couple days think of. You're the only one I think of. Something other women dream of. Got me thinking we should link up. Need a couple days think of. They keep telling me I'm too soft. But my love for you is so strong. Only you can take my clothes off. I don't wanna see you stressed out. You know that I care for you, I will be there for you. I want the best of you, ride me like bicycle. Stop looking skeptical, get like you're edible. Love when you gullible, eat me like vegetables. Or let me bite on your apple, right on the table. Let's get romantic, light up the candles. Invite all the angels, let's come to join us. You're the only one I think of. Something other women
Super.
dream of. Got me thinking we should link up. Need a couple
Did you say eat me like vegetables and ride me like a bicycle? The flow is catchy though. Hold on. Let's run that shit back. Hey, alright, that's catchy. Oh, okay, that's catchy. Nah, that's actually fucking catchy. What the fuck? Hey, that's fuck.
They keep telling me I'm too soft. But my love for you is so strong. Only you can take my clothes off. I don't wanna see you stressed out.
Okay, whoever was made that beat, whoever produced this shit was spazzing. What the fuck? What?
You know that I care for you, I will be there for you. I want the best of you, ride me like bicycle. Stop looking skeptical, get like you're edible. Love when you gullible, eat me like vegetables. Or let me bite on
Love when you're gullible. My nigga, that sounds toxic. Love it when you're gullible. Hey, you wanna take advantage of this lady? That sounds toxic, bro. No, that sounds really toxic. Love when you're gullible. Now go look that word up, bro. Go back to the dictionary and look that word up. What are you talking about? What do you mean?
your apple, right on the table. Let's get romantic, light up the candles, invite all the angels. Let's come to join us.
Things I'm gonna think of,
Something that I'm gonna think of.
think of. But I won't go some bar. Things I'm gonna think of, that think of. Think of. Bam 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 bam. Oh, okay. Love that. I love this, bruh. I love this. I love this. Love how he entered we hook, and then playing in the verse, he started whispering, and then up the tempo, Okay, I love it. Nah, this is actually. So sorry about that. This is actually solid. This is actually a solid song. I won't lie. It's actually a solid song. Wow, wow, what? That's impressive as fuck. What? Imagine khangani ndawo zokhalaza kuyo. Wow. Okay. Shout out to G Rastafarai. God dang. You wanna think W's in the chat. Okay, chat. I don't know. You can tell me what you guys think. But me, I'm impressed. What the fuck?